Today I'd like to share with you just some things to consider when potentially looking for a pool. In this video, I'm going to share with you things to consider, what to look out for, possible pitfalls, things to ask the industry as a whole, and of course, how much is all of this going to cost? Hi, my name is Chris Woods with Shasta Pools, and I'm excited to be here to share some information with you today. I've been with Shasta Pools for about 17 years. So let's talk about what is a new pool. So kind of the obvious observation would be, hey, it's a big hole in the ground. We put some concrete in there, and we fill it with water, you can go enjoy. Yes, that's true, but there's so much more to a brand new pool. What's your expectations of using the pool? Is it for just relaxing? Is it for exercise? Do you have a family? Do you like to entertain? So we have the pool itself, the shape. I'd be looking for a straight line pool, a free form pool, and you might be looking for a pool with a spa. So when I say spa, some nomenclature might also be like a jacuzzi. Any landscape considerations from pool equipment, sanitation, decking around the pool. I kind of call it like a sidewalk around the pool. So where you could walk around the pool. But again, that's our goal, to help educate you. You pick, you decide what's best for you, for your family, what you want. We're here to facilitate. Let's talk about who would be a good fit for a new pool. You might be a good fit for a new pool if you're looking for the best value for your money. Now, what does that mean? And more than likely, everyone out there is going to tell you you're getting the best value for your money. So things to really consider or to ask questions of us or of anyone would be the quality of craftsmanship, the durability, the longevity of the products and services, and of course the warranty. In addition, we're a one-stop shop. So we've learned over time that we found that generally the best way to serve a customer is to take a holistic approach, if that may be a fit for you, and think of things from start to finish. The majority of our crews are in-house. The advantage is we can schedule on your time, not on the contractor's time. We control the process. We want you to enjoy the pool, not endure it. You may not be a good fit if you're simply looking for the cheapest options available out there in the market. Some of the reasons why other companies out there may be lower in price would be things such as, is the permit included? What size of excavation equipment is priced? Is it the correct one? Any specialty permits? It all sounds and looks the same at times, and it can be confusing, but I can assure you, if there's a difference and someone out there is incredibly less, there's a reason why. You may also be a bad fit if you're looking to be more hands-off throughout the pool buying process, because there are so many options, things to consider, things that we want you to choose versus us choosing. At the end of the day, I'm sure everyone out there, when you're making such a large permanent investment, you would like to have a little bit of say, and most certainly, we don't want you to figure out 6 days, 6 weeks, or 6 months, 6 years down the road what you thought you bought wasn't. That would not be a good thing. When is the best time to buy a new pool? You know, that really is up to you. We build pools year-round. Some of the misconceptions out there might be that it's a little less expensive to build a pool in the off-season or the winter months versus the summer months. You know, prices really don't change throughout the year. They may ebb and flow ever so slightly with markets and raw materials, but more than not, prices are consistent year-round. To maximize taking advantage of our Arizona summers here, it may be wise or advantageous to start at the beginning of the new year or shortly thereafter. One of the biggest questions people ask is, what is a pool going to cost? Well, it can range greatly, but I would say anywhere from the 40s up to $150,000 plus. It totally depends. Realistically, I would say a great backyard pool, one that you're going to enjoy for a lifetime, is going to be in those 50s, 60s, 70s, and maybe 80s. That's a broad range, but to give you even more peace of mind, you can go to our website and we have a pricing calculator. So you can go price your own pool, pick and choose, subtract all the options as many times as you want before you even give us a call. So I highly encourage you, go do that. But generally speaking, you're going to be in that $40,000 to $70,000 range. So what is the next step in purchasing your brand new pool? Well, you can simply reach out to us by phone, go to our website, fill out some basic information, look at our learning center. We have a lot of great information there as well. Or just walk into one of our design centers here in the Valley.